How often do you check your savings account, only to find the interest earnings are barely enough to buy a cup of coffee? If you're tired of seeing minimal growth in your traditional savings, you've probably started looking at high-yield options. And one name that consistently comes up is Popular Direct. But with so many online banks out there, why are people specifically choosing Popular Direct for their hard-earned money? It really comes down to three key factors: the competitive yield, the simplicity of online-only banking, and the security of a long-standing institution. First, let's talk about the rate. The main reason anyone goes for a high-yield account is to maximize their returns, and Popular Direct's exclusive savings account often offers a seriously competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, that is significantly higher than the national average. This high rate applies across all balance tiers, meaning whether you're just starting out or moving a large sum, you're earning top dollar. For savers, that competitive APY is the immediate and most compelling draw. Second is the power of simplicity and accessibility. Popular Direct is an online-only bank, which means they don't have the massive overhead of physical branches. They pass those savings on to you in the form of better rates. Their streamlined online platform makes it easy to open an account and manage your savings 24/7. While you won't find an ATM network, their focus is purely on saving, offering a clean, straightforward experience designed to help your money grow without the distractions and fees often associated with full-service banks. Plus, there are no monthly service fees for their savings account, letting you keep every penny of your interest earnings. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is trust and security. All deposits with Popular Direct are held at Popular Bank, an FDIC-insured institution. What does this mean for you? It means your deposits are insured up to the maximum allowable limit, currently $250,000 per depositor. This FDIC insurance provides a crucial safety net. You get the benefit of a modern, high-yield account backed by a financial institution with a century of history. It's the perfect blend of modern returns and old-school stability. So, for those who prioritize a consistently high interest rate, value a simple, low-fee online experience, and demand the peace of mind of FDIC insurance, Popular Direct stands out as a clear favorite in the high-yield savings market. It's a straightforward path to making your money work harder for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.